Hey everybody, how are we doing tonight? Okay, it's November 29th, but you're not going to see this video till after 25 days of Nailmas because this isn't very Christmassy, but one of the groups I'm in was doing a little challenge for Sugar High. So I was thinking about how we could change this up so it didn't feel, well, I don't know, so bright and confetti-like, maybe? We'll see. This is not, I don't know if you wore this, this really isn't glitter though, it's more like confetti. And it's got blue and red and yellow and a little bit of maybe little kind of pearl color ones. I love it though. And this is Steel City. And that's Starfall from the Halloween box. So, also, I'm only going to do this hand because I'll take a nail fee of this hand. So, and as soon as I'm done with this and take my nail fee, I'm going to pop it off and do my Christmas set for today, which is day 7. And it's a cute one. So this Steel City is in Incoco, Korea. But they also have it as, you know, I gotta remember how I'm doing this now. I got a plan in my head. They also have it as Incoco, Japan, and they actually used to have it. Color Street used to have it, but they got rid of it. Oh, it's beautiful. And I know that side's not covered, but it's okay. Do not worry. And then this one. Gonna do the pointer and the ring, hopefully. It's gorgeous color, isn't it? Gorgeous. And this one, the Steel City, has been named Steel City in every form they've done it in every company. Incoco Japan, Incoco Korea, and Color Street all called it Steel City. I even didn't play Christmas music tonight because this video will come out when it's not Christmas, you guys. How's that for planning? Usually, well, last year I did use Sugar High to do little sugar sprinkles on Christmas cookies. But normally I do use it in the spring and summer. It's probably definitely more fitting for that. This year I'm going to use it at Easter time as like those little sprinkly eggs, robin's eggs. The beauty. Okay. Whoops. I know this isn't going to cover all of my thumb, but it's okay. I've got a plan. It's close though. Almost makes it. Middle finger strip. Okay, there we go for that. Now, make sure I get this right. I'm leaving the plastic on, pulling this up. When you leave that plastic on, it makes the strip not wiggle around. Helps when you're trying to get a very specific placement. Oh, the static is real tonight. Well, that's cute, isn't it? Crap, I just peeled the plastic off. I told you guys I wasn't gonna. Biscuit. There's a little teeny bit there, you guys. There. Now this one, for real, leave the plastic on it. Really, you guys, you're supposed to remind me. Alright, now I gotta make sure I get this one right. I want it to have that look like hang on, like it's running into each other, kind of, you know, doodle-loop and doodle-loop. Okay, and the thumb, all we got to worry about is that we're covering this bits that didn't get covered, so no specific plan for this. Also, more than likely it won't be showing in my nail fee, so easy enough to cover those up. This would be pretty with toffee nut, the creamy brown, and brownie points. Oh my gosh. And then instead of sugar high, use champagne sugar. Actually, oh no, I got another idea. What else would be cool is to use all the, ooh, I love that one. The kind of neutral bits. Use brownie points as your dark, and then use like Havana honey, toffee nut, what else? You know, all the neutrals at the plaza, and then use champagne sugar. That'd be beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna bring the party, because that is exactly what this is. Sugar high is the party. Here we go, party time. I think these dark neutrals like this just kind of, you know, look super cute, but it doesn't feel as, almost feels, I think people feel like this one feels a little childish because it's the primary colors. There's not actually glitter. It's just like confetti looking. I think it's cute, but it does make me think of sprinkles, cookie sprinkles. Man, I really like these. Those would be so good with just a plain old glitter sweet over them, you guys. Do it. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. I'm excited to see the thumb. That always is my best judge because it's the biggest spot to see. Some of these sugar highs are more sparse than others. Look at this. I've got like a, there's like a blank spot there. That's funny. They're definitely all different amounts and different patterns of sprinkles. There we go. The squisher is so good for these when you got, I mean, because that's 3 layers now. Really helps to get your air out when you've got 2 different, you know, cutout layers like that. You can get that little ridge. There. Yep. Cute. Yeah, I definitely think that helps sugar high. It really changes the look of it. A little more, not really sophisticated, but just not so kid looking or cookie looking. even though I like it that way too. There you go, guys. Hope that helps your conversion to sugar high.